Welcome to our guide on 50 essential daily use English words that you must know to improve your communication skills. Learning new vocabulary is the foundation for effective communication in any language. Let's start building your English word power today. These 50 words are not just random. They are the bedrock of everyday conversations and are crucial for expressing yourself clearly. We begin with the first 5 words, ranging from accept to answer. Pay attention to the pronunciation, Hindi meaning, and example sentence. Word number 1 is accept, pronounced accept, Hindi meaning sweekar karna. Example, I accept your invitation. Next is achieve, pronounced achieve, Hindi meaning prapt karna. Example, she worked hard to achieve her goal. Word number 3, advice, pronounced advice, Hindi meaning salah. Example, he gave me good advice. Moving on to allow, pronounced allow, Hindi meaning anumati dena. Example, my parents allow me to travel. The 5th word is answer, pronounced answer, Hindi meaning uttar. Example, she gave the correct answer. Now for words 6 through 10, covering appear to avoid. Keep practicing these out loud. Word number 6, appear, pronounced appear, Hindi meaning prakat hona. Example, a rainbow appeared in the sky. Next is apply, pronounced apply, Hindi meaning avedan karna. Example, he will apply for the job. Word number 8, arrange, pronounced arrange, Hindi meaning vyavastha karna. Example, I will arrange the meeting. Next up is ask, pronounced aask, Hindi meaning puchna. Example, please ask your teacher. And word number 10, avoid, pronounced avoid, Hindi meaning bachna. Example, you should avoid junk food. We've covered 10 essential words. Now let's briefly look at the next 40 to round out your daily vocabulary. Here is a quick visual and text list of the remaining 40 foundational words, including their Hindi meaning and pronunciation, which you can pause and study. The key is to integrate these words into your everyday conversations. Practice using them in different contexts to make them stick. You've now been introduced to 50 essential English words. Mastering this foundational vocabulary will significantly boost your confidence. Remember, these words are the building blocks of communication. Consistent practice ensures fluency and clear expression. Your final step, start using these words daily. The more you practice, the more natural they will become. Good luck!